Hey guys, Michael here. Wanted to do a quick little, really short but quick and kind of neat update video on the GX. You can see I've got it here in the garage. She's all tucked in safe. Couple little additions that I've done. I'm now running a dual bike carrier that folds up. It's got a little bit of a hitch extension to make room for the JW tire mount on the back, but that's been working great. And it folds up and folds down. I won't unfold it, but well, yeah, I'll quickly show you guys. It just pops down really easy. And you can see it's the type, it's kind of a knockoff style, but it's got the adjustable arms here. So you can lock it down on the front tire, and then it's got little straps on the back. So if you are a mountain biker or road biker, this has been great. It's got a little hole for having your U-lock and a cable lock. And then the whole thing's got a safety pin in there as well too. But the coolest thing that I really wanted to show you, so that's been nice and that's been fun to run and just keep on there. And it actually all fits in the garage, which is pretty slick. There's this little lever right there that I just pull, and then the whole thing just fits right there. So works really nice, pretty flush to the back, really liking it. But one of the coolest little mods, and this is really inexpensive, but it's super neat in my opinion, is the door lights. So I'm actually waiting for my garage light just to go off in just a quick second, and so you guys can see. But as you guys may remember, I have the courtesy lights that I hooked up underneath my sliders, which is really nice, and they illuminate when you open the doors. So I may just go over here and turn off the garage light just so we don't have to wait for it to time out. But when it's pitch black like this and you come up to the car, the courtesy lights come on, but I did add this little cool little thing that you see on newer cars. So it shines down, it says GX470. It's right here. It's got a blinking little red light in it. I don't know why it's got that, but I added this to the front driver side and the passenger side, and then with the courtesy lights as well. You can just see it still shines like a regular door light too, but it just adds a real nice level of coolness and modernity, I guess I would say. Makes it really modernizes the GX. So it's just a cool little hat trick when you go to open your door, and not only do you have light here, but you've got the GX470 in real clear font. And then when you close it up, you know, obviously you just have the courtesy lights, and you obviously see the pattern under the step plate of the JW sliders. But figured you guys might like this. Very inexpensive. I want to say it was like 20 bucks, or you know, maybe it's 30 bucks, something like that, but just super cool, plug and play. So I'll put the link into the description, just like I always do for this, for the bike rack. But again, this was the real the thing that I thought was super cool. And I've honestly gotten some cool comments of people being like, that's really neat, because most of the time it's on newer cars' mirrors. And again, this just pops right in the standard door panel, and it was installed in like all of 5 minutes. So really, really cool little addition. I'm trying to see if there's anything else new on the interior. Again, not a ton. The only other thing, and again, this is not specific to this vehicle, but really do love these, is this rear seat. Really meant for dogs, which I use for my dog all the time to protect the leather, but it just buckles around the headrests on both sides. It's got a hard platform right here that's got some rigid, I'm assuming it's just a thicker sheet of plastic. So I can have my dog rest up here. It's got its harness, it buckles in, so he's safe. He's not just out here loose. And you know, it's got little pockets for leashes and stuff like that. Hang hats off the back. So this has just been awesome for, honestly, even just going to the grocery store, just needing another place to throw groceries, and just protecting the back seat and making it a little more usable for a dog, for groceries, for stuff that, you know, when I go mountain biking, just throwing stuff back here, not worrying if this gets dirty, even though I got the WeatherTechs. And it just creates another little shelf here so that I can tuck stuff under. I can have my dog here or other stuff here. So it really kind of expands the trunk into this area, since I'm primarily only using the front two seats. no kiddos at this point. So this works great if you're looking for some extra utility out of your back seat. So just figured I'd give you guys a couple of those updates, just more practical usability updates. You can see I don't have the thing, the GX thing here. I'm thinking about maybe trying to get it, but again, primarily using the driver's door. Really just like it here a lot in the passenger side. So cool little hat trick. Figured you guys might want to see that. So hope all is well, and I'll again, like I said, I'll have all this in the description, or in links in the description, and feel free to just comment if you've got any comments. But still loving the GX. She's just been awesome in terms of just my daily, and I just couldn't be happier with it. So ride's super quiet. Just love the quality and the thickness of the glass, the quietness on the road, and I guess the lights turn off. It's a good time to end the video. So I hope you guys have a good one. See ya.